Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you the most in-depth reviews of products you love. Today, we have something special for all you outdoor enthusiasts and adventurers out there. We'll be taking a closer look at the Misdary 2-pack clip-on watches, the perfect digital pocket watch for your outdoor escapades. Stay tuned to find out why this is a must-have accessory for your adventures. Show the Misdary 2-pack clip-on watches in all their glory, highlighting their sleek design. Clip them onto a backpack, belt, or pocket to emphasize their portability. These Misdary clip-on watches are packed with features designed to make your outdoor activities more enjoyable and convenient. Let's delve into what makes them special. First and foremost, you get precise timekeeping with Arabic numerals for easy readability. They are equipped with a precise quartz movement, ensuring that you're always on time during your adventures. One unique feature is the dual time zone wheel, allowing you to keep track of time in two different locations. Perfect for those who frequently travel or work across time zones. These watches have a fantastic glow-in-the-dark feature. You won't have to fumble around in the dark to check the time. It's a small detail that can make a big difference during nighttime adventures. Made of high-quality stainless steel and glass materials, these watches are shockproof and built to last. Whether you're cycling, hiking, camping, or climbing, these watches can handle it all. The spring-loaded buckle clips make these watches easy to attach to fob belts, backpacks, school bags, or even your shirt pocket. They are truly versatile and convenient to carry around. With features like a stopwatch, alarm clock, and date display, these watches have everything you need for your outdoor activities. They are suitable for a wide range of adventures, from camping to rock climbing and more. These Misdary clip-on watches also make for great gifts. Whether it's a birthday, wedding, anniversary, or even a holiday like Halloween or Christmas, they are a thoughtful and practical present for your loved ones. Show the watches in action during various outdoor activities, emphasizing their durability and functionality. Highlight the competitive pricing and the fact that you get two watches in one package. Remind viewers about the unique features like the dual time zone function and glow-in-the-dark capability. So there you have it, folks. The Misdary 2-pack clip-on watch is your perfect companion for outdoor adventures. With their precise timekeeping, durability, and multifunctionality, these watches are a steal at just $21.99 for a 2-pack. Don't miss out on these fantastic timepieces. If you found this review helpful, please hit that like button, subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth reviews, and leave your comments down below. Let us know if you have any questions or if there's a product you'd like us to review next. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next episode of Product Critique.